given the chance to try an American restaurant in Shanghai, our group, we just couldn't pass it up. I was also curious how it would compare to the locations back home. So we ended up at the Cheesecake Factory. And honestly, it's exactly the same. Same menu, the same flavors, and even though it's not pictured, the cheesecake, all just the same. Even the same beer. And so there you have it, a much enjoyed meal with very familiar flavors of home, right in the heart of Shanghai.